I love coming together with friends and living my life. Community बोलते आते हैं जहाँ पे रियल वर्क करो और काफी रियल कनेक्ट किया वो दो जन आए उससे आप
मैं गवर्नमेंट आए
and product made from a lifetime experience. Here it is like so time and book every day is for water. बनाने में कैपिटल की वर्ड बना है here one from by the children never spend hour and dinner and second hand nuts word very electrode white pen black pen red pen sandpaper. Tools इसमें कुछ tools लगा है उसका मैं नाम बताना चाहती हूँ that's why steel tool triceps divider handle ones manufacturing process selection of materials cutting clean peel writing perfection. Here one, where practical and use craft tools and material, class the word properly, keep word clearly and then switch off the machine after use. Follow safety rules at all times. Advantage. Here one, try to low cost material, simple design and implement. Refuse to scrap material, strong and long lasting, attractive decorative design. Application. Here one. Use a wall clock in homes, use in office and workplaces, use in schools, ITI and business, use as gift items, use in cafes, and hotels. Conclusion. The gearbox of photography successfully completed. It helps us to understand and apply various studies. How does it improve our practical credits and knowledge? It is a useful and attractive decorative piece. We hope this project will be helpful for future learning and in our professional lives.
फिर से
Thank you.